Welcome to our channel, where we delve deep into the fascinating realm of manufacturing engineering, a dynamic branch of mechanical engineering that brings ideas to life. Whether you're an engineering enthusiast, a student, or simply curious about the processes that shape our modern world, you're in for a treat. Join us as we unravel the intricacies, innovations, and real-world applications of manufacturing engineering. Episode 1. The Foundation of Manufacturing Engineering. In our first episode, we lay the groundwork by understanding what manufacturing engineering is all about. From historical perspectives to its role in shaping industries, we'll explore the fundamental concepts that make this branch so crucial in today's world. Episode 2. Materials and Their Metamorphosis. Dive into the world of materials engineering and witness how raw substances undergo metamorphosis to become the building blocks of our modern creations. We'll uncover the science behind material selection, properties, and how they influence manufacturing processes. Episode 3. Machining Marvels, Precision and Beyond. Discover the art and science of machining. From traditional techniques to cutting-edge CNC technology, we'll explore how various machining processes like turning, milling, and grinding create precise components that drive industries forward. Episode 4. Welding Wonders, Fusing Strength and Structure. Join us as we delve into the world of welding, where metals are fused to form strong and reliable structures. Explore different welding methods, their applications, and the critical role they play in building everything from skyscrapers to delicate medical instruments. Episode 5. The CAD-CAM Connection, Designing for Manufacturability. Unravel the synergy between computer-aided design, CAD, and computer-aided manufacturing, CAM. Witness how engineering designs are transformed into executable manufacturing processes, optimizing efficiency and quality. Episode 6. Additive Manufacturing, Shaping the Future Layer by Layer Step into the Future with Additive Manufacturing, also known as 3D printing. Learn about its revolutionary impact on rapid prototyping, customization, and even production, as we discuss its wide-ranging applications across industries. Episode 7, Automation and Robotics, The Rise of Smart Factories. Explore how automation and robotics have transformed manufacturing into a realm of efficiency and precision. From autonomous assembly lines to collaborative robots, we'll showcase the latest innovations driving the rise of smart factories. Episode 8, Quality Control, Ensuring Excellence. Join us in understanding the vital role of quality control in manufacturing engineering. We'll explore inspection techniques, testing methodologies, and the pursuit of excellence that ensures products meet the highest standards. Episode 9. Sustainable Manufacturing, Engineering for a Greener. Tomorrow, discover how manufacturing engineering is evolving to meet the demands of sustainability. Explore eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient processes, and the role of engineers in reducing the industry's environmental footprint. Episode 10. Case Studies in Manufacturing Excellence. In our final episode, we'll showcase real-world case studies that highlight the incredible feats achieved through manufacturing engineering. From aerospace to medical devices, witness the impact of innovation and dedication. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of one of your everyday essentials, ceiling fans. You might not realize it, but there's a lot that goes into making these cool breeze creators. So let's roll up our sleeves and explore the process step by step, using simple words to make it all crystal clear. Step 1. Design and planning. Every great creation starts with an idea, and ceiling fans are no different. Designers and engineers put their heads together to sketch out how the fan will look, function, and fit into your living spaces. They consider factors like size, blade shape, materials, and energy efficiency. Think of it as crafting a blueprint for a masterpiece. Step 2. Materials. Gathering. Now that the plan is in place, it's time to gather the materials. Common stuff like metal, plastic, and electrical components come into play. These materials are chosen carefully to ensure the fan's durability and performance. Step 3. Cutting and shaping. Imagine a giant jigsaw puzzle. Manufacturers use machines to cut and shape the various parts of the fan. Blades are cut into precise shapes, and the main body components are formed using molds. These machines work like a crafty artist with a knack for accuracy. Step 4. Assembly line magic. Here's where the magic happens, the assembly line. Different parts are put together like pieces of a puzzle. Motors, blades, housings, and controls are integrated to create a fully functional unit. It's like building a robot that brings you comfort. Step 5. Wiring and testing. Wires are connected to the motor, giving life to the fan. Before it's shipped out, the fan goes through thorough testing. It's spun at different speeds to make sure it works smoothly and silently. This step is like giving your creation a test run to make sure it's in tip-top shape. Step 6. Quality check. Quality is key. Skilled workers inspect each fan to make sure there are no defects. They make sure it's safe, efficient, and ready to create breezy bliss in your home. Step 7. Packaging and shipping. Once the fan gets the green light, it's packaged up with care to protect it during its journey to your local store. From there, it finds its way to your home, ready to make your days cooler and more comfortable. Conclusion. And there you have it. A glimpse into the captivating world of industrial manufacturing using the example of ceiling fan production. From design to packaging, every step is like a piece of a puzzle that comes together to create a product we use in our daily lives. Next time you turn on your ceiling fan, you'll know just how much effort and skill went into making that gentle breeze possible. Thanks for joining us on this manufacturing adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the things that shape our world.